Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I'm looking at my fifth and final sample from the Precious Liquid line. I mentioned earlier that I bought 5 samples, basically their discovery set for $8 off of their website, and I reviewed the first 4. This is the final one. So, Neroli Musk, according to the website, fresh, warm, and soft. This scent captures all the gentleness of a dear friend's embrace. This fragrance has elements of verbena, neroli blossoms, musk, and moss. So, when I first heard about this one, I wasn't too excited about it because neroli, to me, is a very overdone fragrance note in fragrances, and I've smelled quite a few of them. I think I own at least 1 or 2 fragrances with a strong neroli backbone, and this is another one. The neroli definitely shines here. And that's pretty much it here. Neroli, I guess the only thing that makes this one sort of different from other neroli fragrances is that it does seem to have a very light, soft, intimate feel to it, which sometimes with neroli is uncommon, because I do know that sometimes neroli can be a very potent fragrance note in fragrances, and yeah, this one is kind of soft and intimate. Definitely has that traditional neroli smell to it, Italian floral, orange, citrus, kind of soapy. Very nice and refreshing and invigorating for warm weather like today in the summer, middle of July. It's nice, but it's been done to death, and I can't really see myself getting too excited about it. But if you're new to neroli, you might be a little bit more excited about it than I was. Definitely check out the sample pack if you're bored and need something to do this summer. Most of these are great for the summer, and Neroli Musk is no exception. A great neroli fragrance, just nothing too special in my opinion. It does have that verbena in there, but doesn't really add too much to the fragrance itself. It's basically just a neroli heavy fragrance with some minor touches of other elements like the moss, neroli, musk. It just kind of blends with the neroli and just basically gives you neroli. So yeah, nothing too different here from other neroli scents. Sorry I can't say too much more about it. In and of itself, it's not a bad fragrance, but because there's so many other neroli fragrances out there, I can't get too excited about it. So let's get into my final thoughts and scores here. The smell, 6.5 out of 10. I certainly wouldn't have a problem wearing this one in the hot summer months, but I think I've had my share of neroli experiences over the years, so I don't see myself actually rushing out to buy it. Projection longevity, we'll say 6 out of 10. Again, with most of these other Precious Liquid fragrances, they do tend to be very soft. They might perform better than they project, but very close to the skin, probably like 1 to 3 hours, and then most people would probably not really smell it on you too well. Versatility, I'll say 6.5 out of 10, because I think this one would be a great spring and summer scent, mostly casual day wear, not really something to wear out in the evening, certainly not great for fall and winter time. Uniqueness is 4 out of 10 because neroli is done to death, I think, especially with fragrance houses like Xenia and Acqua di Parma, and some other ones like Dunhill, I think, have neroli, and of course Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino, stuff like that. Very heavy influx of neroli fragrances on the market. Price point, this one's $125 for the 50 ml. Overall for me, 6 out of 10. If you like neroli, you'll probably enjoy it. Personally, I think mandarin was a little bit better. It's a little bit more interesting because it has orange mandarin in there, which is a little more interesting than just the straight neroli blast. So that's it for Neroli Musk and for the Precious Liquid line, and I'm looking forward to moving on to other things soon. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.